Hi, this is Kamat, and today I'm going to share video with you. And this video is based on how much steel is required in column in one column. Means there is in houses there is 4 column. So in one column, how much steel is required there? So that I'm going to calculate today. So for this, so I'm going to begin. Okay. So first of all, I want to read question. So one by one, I'm going to start. Okay. Okay. Let's begin. So first of all, I'm going to read question. What question is saying? How to calculate? How to? This is my question. Okay. How to? This I have prepared first of all. Then I'm showing you. Okay. The how to calculate weight of steel for a column. Column is nothing but this is column. Okay. In any houses we are making 4 corner. First of all, we are digging soil and then making hole there. We are making hole, square shape hole there, and then we are starting there. We are starting to build one column. That is nothing but this is column, and that is nothing but plan section. We are what we are making there square hole, that is plan section, and then from there we are starting, that is called cross section. Means so many rods, means 4 5 6 depending upon houses. That rod is moving upwards. Okay, means forcing towards. Okay, forcing towards up. Okay, so this is okay. So there is also method, means how to calculate how much steel is required there in that column. So this video is totally based upon new. Okay, so for this. Okay, so what question is saying? Flowing. Okay, here is the question. Flowing are the percentage of the reinforcement steel generally required for different components. Okay, its value here its value can vary from structure to structure. See, here is the point. Okay, from its vary means different, means vary from structure to structure. How the structure how the house is made, means if we made 15 meter by 13 meter houses, means how much area is there. Okay, depending upon area, this structure of the column is vary. Means vary is means differentiate, means value will be changed, means this weight of the steel will be up and down. Okay, means it will increase also, it will decrease also. Okay, then and can be assumed from past experience of a similar structure. And can be assumed, what question is, and can be assumed from past experience of similar structure, means that value, that assumed value we used pastly assumed value we use here while calculating the weight of steel. Okay, so this is my question. So now I'm going to start. Okay, but here before we calculate area of steel, we need to know what is the density of steel, how much density of steel is required there. For a beam, how much percentage of the concrete beam we are going to be used. How much for slab, how much percent of the concrete we are going to be used there. For column, how much percentage of the concrete of the volume we are going to be used there. And then lastly, we need to know for reinforcement concrete structure for roads, how much percentage of the concrete volume we are going to be used. These things, first of all, these 5 things are the key points which is to be helpful to calculate the weight of steel. Okay, so now I'm coming to my point. Okay, means calculating point. Okay, so this is what I'm going to calculate is now I'm going to calculate volume of concrete column. Okay, concrete column means I'm calculating for column. So volume of concrete, first of all I have to calculate. First, this is my front point. Okay, this is my first point. Okay, so I need to calculate I need to calculate column of concrete, okay, volume of concrete, okay. This see, if you see here, this is column, okay. For column is how much percent we are going to use concrete, 2.5% of the concrete we are going to use, okay, 2.5. So if I am doing 2.5 divided by 100, 2.5% means 2.5 divided by 100, okay, how much it is giving to me? If you see, the value is giving to me 0.025, okay, this. And then here another weight of steel. To calculate weight of steel, first of all we need to know how much for column how much percentage of the concrete volume we are going to be used, okay. So we are going to be use 2.5. Our answer is how much? No, we are using here 2.5% of the concrete. So I am going to 2.5 divided by 100. I am going to divide it by 100, okay. This is my percentage, because percentage means we have to divide by 100, okay. So into how much volume came, I will multiply it by volume of the concrete. I will multiply. So okay, this much into 0.27 is my volume, okay. Volume of the concrete. If I am doing, how much answer it is coming, okay. See, 6.75 into 10 power minus 3. This is coming, okay, kg per meter cube, okay. This is weight of the steel, but we know that earlier what we know, density of the steel. But to calculate weight of the steel in any column, we need to know density of the steel. Density of the steel is how much? This is constant value, no? Density of the steel, for any steel, density of the steel is how much? Density is, for any steel, density is always 7850 kg per meter cube. See here, okay, here you can see this is, okay, 7850 kg per meter cube, okay. So density I have. Now I can easily calculate the weight of the steel for any column, okay. For this is column, okay. So I have here, so this is my plan section, okay. This is my plan section I have taken. So basically column always in a square shape, okay. First of all, we are constructing from where we are digging, we are making shape like a square, and then we are starting to build from there, okay. We are start to work from there, okay. Means we are making a square shape, and then we are start to work from there, okay. So basically this is 300 mm, okay. Length is also, width is also 300 mm, depth is also I have 300 mm, okay. So if I am converting, then how much it will come? Since it is in what I said earlier, if I move to the left, then my value is decreased. So 300 mm is here. So I am moving to one places to the right, okay. Mm is there, meter, I have to reach 3 places to the right. So I am 0.3, okay. So 300 divided by 300 mm is there, so I have to divide by 100, okay. How much it is coming? Okay, 300 divided by, okay, this much it is coming, 0.3 is coming, okay, 0.3 meter, okay. So this is plan section, and then this is my this is, here is also rod, another rod is here, left hand side, right hand side, both these sides, okay. There is a rod, and this is nothing but this is cross section, okay. This is cross section part. So finally I am coming to my point, okay. So I am going to calculate is, so weight of steel. To calculate weight of steel, I have to, okay, weight of steel is equal to density of, yes is nothing here, yes is nothing but steel, okay. Density of steel into weight of the steel in percentage calculated. How much weight of the steel in percentage I have calculated here? So okay, 6 point how much, basically 2 point, okay, here 2.5 divided by 100 into how much? 0.27, okay. This I am doing, okay. This much it is coming, 6.75 into 10 power minus 3. 6.75 into 10 power minus 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, this is okay. Okay, so weight also I have. Okay, weight is also I have with me. Then okay, so this is weight of the steel I'm going to calculate. Finally I'm going to calculate how much steel is required in column. So okay, in the next page, so weight is how much? 6.75 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, and I have to multiply it with density of the steel. Okay, density is how much? Density is 78. Here you can see density is here. Okay, density is here 7850 kg per meter cube. The density of the steel 7850. Okay, 7850 kg per meter cube. Okay, so now this will, okay, this will become kg total. Okay, now this is converted because I am calculating in kg. Okay, so 6.75 into 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3. Okay, 10 power minus 3. Okay, into 7850. Okay, is equal to how much kg is coming. Okay, in one column 52.98 kg is required. There means basically approximately I can write 53 kg. Okay, 53 kg. Okay, 52.98 kg. Okay, but this is also approximately is equal to 53 kg. So this is the method, this is the process by which we can calculate the weight of the steel per column also. Okay, how much? Okay, so hopefully if you like my video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon also, so that you can get notification. Okay, so see you in next video. Okay, thanks for watching.